guys, welcome back to the channel, Rachel and Sydney's World.
I'm Rachel.
I'm Sydney.
And today we're going to be opening up
Little Woodzeez food truck.
We really like these.
They have cute animals and it comes with storybooks.
Yeah, it comes with like what they are and what they have. Like, it's so cool.
The kit which was going to come with the food truck is the cat family, but it didn't came with it.
And I love cats. You got it? There's one at the bottom.
I know I got it.
How about we just pull it out from my side to make it easier, okay?
Anyway,
Hold on, I'm about to take it out.
yeah, it doesn't work from my side.
Pull it from the side. Pull the box out. I'll hold it. Da-da-da-da.
Still there. I got it.
Be careful not to
There. No, not there. Here, there. Vroom, vroom. Hello.
Oh, wait. There's still some more box. There, I got that box.
Tape on the ground.
So you gotta put it back together.
Oh, there's veggies. That's what it's from.
Veggies. Yes, we gotta put veggies in the burgers.
100 orange.
Organic, locally grown. Oh, that's cute. So here's the truck out of its box and with no box on the bottom. This is super cool, and you can see here are some items, and we found a bag filled with tons of them. So let's get started.
Here it is. It's a lot of in it.
The box said it had 88 items and accessories to go with it. So this is gonna be fun. I'll chop open the bag, and Cindy will bring out the small bags, and then she'll open them. There.
Let's step it out. Whoa! You want to separate them?
Sure.
Let's count how many are there.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's
No, wait,
7.
hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yeah. So do you want to take the items? I'll take these. You take that. Can I have the ice cream? How about we do the wood together?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll open them. What did you open up, Sydney?
I'm opening up the tray.
And the, like, what is it called? The tools that you need?
Oh yeah, the tools.
I'm opening up the drinks.
Ooh.
So we got 3 soda cans.
There's also like
one bottle of orange juice. Wait, is that ketchup? Yeah, that's ketchup. So we also got some relish. We got some mayonnaise. We got some mustard.
Woo! Rachel.
Yeah?
You know this? It said on the back for the, there's a hidden menu. In the back of the menu, you need to open up the menu on the food truck, and then there's where you put the drinks.
That is so cool. Here's some apple juice. 2 packages of water.
Healthy water.
And salt and pepper.
That's the best. Rachel, can I show them what I got?
Yeah.
So I got a pink tray, a blue tray,
Ooh.
a purple tray, and a yellow tray.
Ooh, that's cool.
I'm gonna let you guys look at it. So cute. Now let's put these right here so you guys can mostly see
Or
it
we can
also.
stack them up.
Oh yeah.
Get it? Because that's what they always do with the trays. They always stack them up.
Well, I think this is a flat spatula. And I don't know, what is this? Is this a spoon?
I think that's a testing spoon.
Ooh, yeah, yummy.
And I think that's a pie cutter. Those are what they usually look like, but I really think it might be a spatula.
I got a pot that's so hot. I'm touching it.
Is it burning?
Nope, it's not hot. Here's a spoon to test that, to see if it's hot or cold. And you need to add more salt. And here's a pizza cutter for pizza cutting. And here's a pot. Make noise.
Can I show them this other one?
Yeah. Ooh, that's the food. So we got a salad.
Wait. Oh no, this is a burger patty. We got a little burrito. We got some fries out of the bag. We still got, I don't know where the tray is for them.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it's in here.
Yeah, those are the little trays for the fries. Then we got a taco.
Oh, yeah, yum.
We got a hot dog. We got another hot dog. And then we got a put together burger.
Wow.
This is so cool.
It's like you can make your own thing. Wait, now can I show them mine?
Okay.
I need the scissors. Can I please have it?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. This is the ice cream one. My favorite. These are the desserts.
That's so cool. Does it actually put out actual ice cream?
Yeah. See? I want chocolate ice cream.
Oh, that's
here's
cool.
the lid.
It has an imprint of an ice cream on top. That is so cool.
Right here?
Need help clicking it in?
Here's the two ice cream. One just flying away. Rachel, which one's your favorite one of these? I like this strawberry.
I'm going for strawberry. I'm not that used to chocolate.
Me too. And here's where you put your ice creams at. Right here.
Wait, why are there 4 holders?
There's extra ones. It came in the truck.
Ooh.
Rachel, I think that doesn't work.
No, it does. See? I just snapped it on the wrong way.
Here's my easiest ice cream one. Rachel, it's your turn.
I'll open up my final bag. And this is I think this is the fruits. Yeah, this is the fruits and like the other vegetables.
Rachel, it comes with onions.
Oh, look. There's an onion. There's a basket, another basket, and another basket, and another basket. There's a mini avocado.
Ooh.
It's a mini avocado. I will slice it into half. Wait, Sydney, can I have the pizza cutter for a second?
Oh, yeah.
Cha-cha! I chopped open.
And it's yum. It's healthy for people. And I can snatch back on. Like that.
We'll put this next to the onion. We have some lettuce. We have a pineapple. We have an apple.
Apple pen.
We have a potato. We have an orange. We have some bananas. And then we have a green apple.
Rachel, there's something wrong with the orange. It's crazy.
Oh yeah, that is funny. Then we have another basket, another basket, another basket, and another basket. And then we have some little fruit trays.
Rachel, can I show them my last one?
Yeah.
Can I please have this? Oh, it's I think it's, no, it's not a Ziploc.
So did I when I
You
first
never
saw it.
know if it's a Ziploc or a pan. Well, not a pan. Paper. Yeah, a paper. Now here's everything that you need. Rachel, it came with pizza. Pizza.
Wait, look it. I think the pizza should go in here also. When you serve it to people, you put the pizza in there.
There's only 2 pizzas?
Oh,
there's pizzas in there on the truck.
yeah, there's more pizza in the front.
So here's a pizza tray. That you cook it. with, oh, it's so hot. I think, oh, I don't have anything to put it out.
Wait, Sydney. Look, it's the It's the fries. You put this in the boiler and it boils
Here's
the fries.
fries, idiot. I have 2 of them, Rachel.
That's cool.
I have 2 of them.
Would you like some fries with that?
Would you like some plain fries? Uh-oh, no fries.
Okay.
Here's where you serve the pizza. Yummy pizza. Here's the fry boilers. And here's the
French fries
huddles. And here's the trays.
And now we'll open up the last thing together.
Uh-oh. My pizza fell on the ground.
How about you cut it? Here, I'll cut open the tape and you'll pop them out, okay? There.
And pop. Oh, Rachel, you know this?
Hold on.
Rachel, if you get customers, you know this? Your customers can sit their butt on here while they're watching you cook food. Flip. And even if you're too lazy, you could put it on the tail.
That is so cool. I saw it's supposed to go on the back of the truck.
Yeah. Rachel, you want to show them? Let's open up the truck stuff now.
Okay. So here's the back of the truck. It is super cool.
And we were gonna open up the what's this stuff for you guys. That's how it opens up.
That is super cool. You need help?
No.
Oh wait, I think you just peel off the tape. Almost have it. Oh, it's supposed to go like that because then you have to connect it inside of it. There. Peel off that part of the tape. Get off. Then I'll connect it there.
Here it is.
Okay, there. This is like a little server that puts that when they put like order up, like get your order here now.
Order up before it's all stepped on.
Oh, I think you're supposed to put it on like this. This way, I think. Oh yeah, you are supposed to put it on that way so you can flip it like that and then you can put it. Hey, you do that to mine.
Now we're gonna open up. Now we're gonna open up these. Let's push it.
Whoa, Sydney, that's a little
no,
weird.
these are stuck.
We need super scissors.
Scissors, 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 scissors.
You're not even putting it on it. Here, let me help you with this.
I put a little scissors. Oh, gonna get hold. No, gonna get hold. Let me hold it for you. Just press on it and then it will work. Yeah.
There.
This way.
Now I think we
Now you can push it out. Push.
What?
Hallelujah.
There.
Hallelujah. 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 Okay. Now I'm gonna open it. There's tape. More tape. How much tape do they have to put on?
Wait. All you need to do now is destroy it.
Oh, wait, you know why I have the pizza cutter? It's because, look at it. The pizza. Well, the pizza, cut. Well, the pizza, cut. Oh, I'm sorry, it just fell on the ground. I guess you have to take it still. I don't know what to do.
Look. Would you like some apple juice?
Yeah. That's
wouldn't that be fun?
disgusting.
Sydney, look. This is a mistake that's gone wrong. Let me grab it. Ready?
Dun, dun.
Ready? This was supposed to go in the burger, but they put it on the sandwich instead. It tastes like mustard.
Rachel, look at this burrito on the taco.
That is so cool.
You know it's time for eating.
So we're gonna be getting this truck ready. So we'll be right back to set it up for you guys. So this is all of it set up. Well, we still have some food that is hidden under the truck. Yeah. So yeah. Slowly. So this is the truck. Oh, this is the secret menu. You can still see the food under the truck. Oh, there's a little kind of like cash register.
We never knew that.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I got it. Hold on. You let me stay still for a second. Sydney, why don't you tell them what you like about it?
What I like about it is because it's food and I love food. And it has ice cream and it has a lot of different food that I never tried before.
I like it because you can actually do a role play with it and you can actually serve put together food.
So money in you? No money.
I guess we're gonna have to use my play toy money. So this is what we got from the whole food truck, and I think it's awesome. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rachel and Sydney's World. Bye.
I love you guys. Peace out. Peace out. Bye bye.